Seizures up to the 9th of February, the seizure was about 51.27 crores, of which 6 crores was cash and about 23 crores plus was for drugs and narcotics, and the other categories of course are divided. So total cumulative seizure was about 51.27 crores. In terms of the security arrangement, we have received an allotment of 119 companies here in Meghalaya, of which 40 companies have already arrived and they have already been deployed all over the state. And after the Tripura polls, another 79 companies will be coming, and these will be deployed all across the state. We have 36 constituencies here in Khasi Jaintia region on the eastern side, and we have 24 constituencies in the western region, which is the Garo Hills region. So adequate deployment will take place based on the requirement in both these areas. And apart from that, as you've seen, we have SSTs and FSTs. We have police observers also, and expenditure observers, and also general observers. So they are all here right now.